Dami sila tulong sa akin. What's your relationship status? Ex cut me 20 horse meal. The suitor cut me 50 horse meal. But you know who got my heart? Not you. Chef Miguel of Sushi Shokoni here in Quezon City, because he fed me 20 course meal, my love. Kung hindi ka ma-in-love, makipag-date ka dito, kayong dalawa per day, tapos mag-20 course meal kayo. Tapos nandiyan pa si chef, nagkakwento-kwento, ginagawa, umakasa style, ginagawa yung food niya in front, fiery, the second art, and then he explains that he flew the fish and food from Norway, Japan. Guys, it's just like the best day idea. When it first together with your food, try it. Dami sila tulong sa akin. What's your relationship status? What's my relationship status? The relationship status is busog. Busog dahil sa 21 person show in Quezon City. Otherwise, this is us.
So wala ni ex tsaka ex mo.
What is that?